Guys, let's see how many toilets, portable toilets, we can fit into this magical fix and rail. Let's start with this 20 liter, 22 liter, massive, simple, portable one. Goes in there. Top it on there. Sits properly. Lock. It's locked. Sturdy. It's not opening. It's perfectly strong. Fit in there. From the side, you can grab from here, lift it up. It's not going anywhere. See? It's strong. Here goes a small 10-12 liter one. Lift up, sits properly. Top goes on. Sitting tight. How to remove the cassette from the portable toilets from the fix and rail. Simply undo that. Grab this. Gone. Alright guys, let's have a look how we can fix the 145, 165, 365 and kiwi tray, all these one type of toilets, portable toilets, into the fix and rail. Simply remove top bit. All you need is this. Put it over there. See down here, underneath this, all of them, they have this lock system, like that one. All we need is this. So we designed this kit. This one hook will go in here. Simply, we have to unscrew this a little bit. Undo that. Grab this bit down here. Put it back. Before we install this onto the fix and rail, you have two bolt systems. So one goes behind this, just down here, goes through it, and you're going to use this at the end after it goes on the rail. You will see in a second. It's ready now. Put it here. Sits the nuts in front. Screw goes here. Screw goes here. Clamps it up. Now it's all tight. Caught up, it's not going anywhere. It's strong. It's perfectly fine. Just bolt it down here on top. That's it. So good. We can replace the cassette, put it back in there. That's it. All done. Fixed and tight. Alrighty guys, let's see how to fix the pneumatic portable toilet into the fix and rail. So to fix it, to make it fix, all you need is a hook which we have designed with the fix and rail, and just 3 little babies. That's it. So you see underneath this water tank has the pneumatic. You see this one? That's a clip which locks it in from the other side. One is down there, this one. So remove these screws. Then add the hook down here. Right there. Screw it in. That's it. Nice and firm. It's there. It's ready to go. So this is perfectly fine and secure down here. Now we are going to put it here. Just there. So use the screws, goes on top of the fix and rail. Nice and firm. Let's install it. So this is fixed. That's it. It's not going anywhere. Second screw will be here. We'll clamp it together, and now it's not going anywhere. This is tight. This thing is fixed there. Right. Once it's installed, from there, it's not going anywhere. You can install the cassette down there. Sitting there, nice and tight. The lines. That's it. It's fixed. All done. Automatic. Enjoy.